Alright, good morning. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a table. Alright, so first thing we want to do is open up a new document in Word and go to your Insert tab, and we have our table right here. The first table we're going to make is, I believe, 3 by 8. So I can either insert it this way. If I want to do something more than 8 rows down, I can go Insert Table, and I can also adjust it here. Alright, but you can choose whichever way you'd like to do it. Alright, once I have my table made, I'm going to insert my data, so I'm going to pause it so I'm not wasting your time. I'll start inserting my data. As you insert your data, you can use the tab button to move column to column instead of clicking off. It takes a lot of time, so I'm just using my tab, and then when I get to the third column there, you just saw that it bumps down to the next row. It makes it very convenient. Alright, so use the tab. If I use the enter, you can see it just in that cell or in that block, it enters down a line. So tab is the way you want to go. And shift tab will actually go in reverse. Alright. Now I need to insert a row for my headings, column headings. So I'm going to right click on the top row, go to insert, row above. And then I want to add the headings year, country, and city. Alright, after that I need to add one more row for my column title. And I'm going to center and merge these. So go to Tool Layout and Merge Cells. And I'm just going to center this to start with. So the title should be Cities of Winter Olympics. Subtitle is Since 1992, and that is it. Alright, so with my title, I'm going to bold it, and then increase the size of the title just a little bit. I'm going to italicize my subtitle. Alright, my column headings, I'm also going to center and bold. Alright. Now, to readjust my column width, as you can see, it's very wide. Alright, I don't need to use up all the space here. So I'm going to take my cursor, put it right on that line that separates columns, and I can just double click. You can see that it auto adjusts to that size. Same thing here, and same thing here. Alright, now I want to center it on the page. So if I take my cursor up to this box in the top left hand corner and click, it's going to highlight the entire table, center my text, go to Format, Document, we've done this before, center align vertically as well. Okay, now I want you to add some color to it. So there's a few different ways we can do that. I can go to Table Design, and I have some pre-made ones here. So I'll show you this quick. Alright, so here are some tables. So say I choose, we'll go with this one. Alright, you can see that my years are bolded. Now, in some tables, that might make sense. But in this specific table, it doesn't really, I don't know. Why are those bolded? The point of a table, remember, is to read information and to make it easy to read, easy to understand. Alright, so what I want to do is, up here, it says first column. I'm going to deselect that, and you're going to see that the bolding goes away. Alright, you can also do last column. Maybe say that this is a totals column. That might be an important thing to do. We also have total row. So if we're adding numbers, you can see it comes with a double line at the bottom here, which signifies the total row. Alright, last little piece is when I chose that custom form, or that formatting here, the design, it did bold my subtitle, and I don't want that, so I'm going to take that off and re-bold my title. So just make sure you check, if you use the ones that are pre-made, check to make sure that it didn't screw up your formatting at all. So if I go back to my normal table, I can also custom add some some colors, all right, by going to layout, no, here in shading. Okay, so now I can custom put in my different colors if I'd like. I'll just make this lighter orange. All right, so you can see you can also go ahead and choose your colors as well. All right, maybe you want to use the Olympic colors. I don't know, whatever floats your boat. All right, but remember, the point of a table is to make it easy for the reader to view. And just for Pete's sake, I'm going to go ahead and center this. Everything else I'm going to keep left align. Since I have the years here, they all have 4 numbers. I can center that up to make it look a little nicer. All right, so that's your table. That's how you make a table in Word. All right, guys, that is your blended assignment for today. Thank you. Have a great day.